Good morning, and welcome to your morning meditation. Let's take a moment just for you. Find a quiet place. Sit comfortably or lie down if you prefer. Gently close your eyes and start to notice your breath. Let's begin with a deep breath in through your nose and slowly breathe out through your mouth. Again, deep breath in and release. Feel the air as it moves in and out. You don't need to change anything. Just observe. With every breath, allow yourself to slow down, to arrive, to simply be. Now gently bring your attention to your body. Notice the weight of your body against the ground or chair beneath you. Feel the connection, the support. Scan from the top of your head down to your shoulders. Release any tension. Now your arms, your hand. Let them relax naturally. Move your awareness to your chest, your belly. Notice how your breath gently rises and falls. Continue scanning down to your legs, your feet. Feel rooted. Here. Present. Let's focus more deeply on the breath now. Breathe in slowly through your nose for 4 counts. In 2, 3, 4. Now hold for 2 and gently exhale through your mouth for 6. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, breathe in. It's calm and steady. Hold and release. As you breathe, let go of any stress. You're safe. You're supported. Thoughts may come and go. That's okay. Your mind is simply doing what minds do. Instead of following those thoughts, just notice them, like clouds drifting by in the sky. And bring your attention back to the breath. Inhale, presence. Exhale, stillness. With each breath, the mind settles. You're returning to the calm within you. This is your space. Peace lives here. Now bring your awareness to the area around your heart. Feel into this space gently with curiosity. Notice any sensation, warmth, or emotion. Place your hand on your heart if that feels right. And repeat quietly in your mind, period. Today I choose peace. Again, I open my heart to this day. Feel those words resonate from within. Let love and kindness begin with you. Now, imagine a soft golden light above your head. With every breath, it gently flows down through your body, over your face, your shoulders, your chest. This golden light fills you with calm energy. Let it travel down your spine, into your arms, your hands. You feel warm, held, safe. It reaches your legs, your feet, grounding you. You're glowing from within. Peace is not something you seek. It's something you remember. With this calm presence, set an intention for your day. What do you need most today? Clarity? Patience? Energy? Silently repeat your intention, period. Today I choose to. You fill in the blank. Trust your intuition. Feel your intention take root in your heart. Let it grow with each breath. It is already unfolding. Let's reinforce your calm mindset with gentle affirmations. Repeat them silently after me. I am calm and I am grounded. I welcome this day with an open heart. I trust myself and my path. Let each affirmation sink deeper. Feel their truth resonate within you. Carry them with you into your day. Begin to gently bring your awareness back to your body. Feel the ground beneath you. Wiggle your fingers, your toes. Notice the air around you, the sounds in the room. Take a deep, full breath in and exhale softly. When you're ready, bring a slight smile to your face and prepare to carry this peace with you. Take one last deep breath. Inhale, presence. Exhale, gratitude. Thank yourself for showing up, for choosing calm, clarity, and care. Carry this feeling with you today. Let it guide your thoughts, your choices, your words. And remember, peace begins with one breath. Have a beautiful day.